Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to get a duckbill valve kind of unstuck. First thing you got to do is take your keg tap, whatever one you want, go to the number, which this one for this case is 4, go under here, make sure that is off. Once the gas has been turned off, you can now start to change the keg tap. All you're gonna really need is a wrench, a 1-inch wrench, or some kind of pliers, and a screwdriver. Okay, so you're gonna take your keg tap, and we're gonna be undoing this nut. So you just take your wrench, undo that nut or loosen it. And you can do it by hand. And once that is undone, there is this plastic piece that usually sits right into here that we're going to be taking it out. And this is the duckbill. It looks just like this. And all we're going to be doing is taking the screwdriver and poking it through to open it up. Now that it's been opened up, all we need to do is put this into here and put the nut back on. Now that it is on, just give it a little tightening. And it should be all good to go.